Hey guys, we're here inside the federal courthouse here in D.C. Our attorney Michael Pikesha was just arguing on behalf of Judicial Watch's right to gain access to the January 6th videos and emails, and it looks like they dropped a little bit of a last-minute bomb on us by suggesting they're all security records and we can't get them.
Yeah, for the past 2 years they've said 17 out of 14,000 hours with security information. Now they're saying that maybe tomorrow the Capitol Police Board will designate all 14,000 hours.
Well, you know, and the judge seems not interested in designating them as public records to begin with. That's unusual. She described this as an insurrection, but the videos that have been separated and kept in a file about what happened that day aren't public records. How does that work?
You know, look, everybody thinks these records are important. The public should be able to see them. Hopefully the judge is going to go back and think about it, and she said she would consider the argument that when these records were pulled out of the normal process and, you know, they were created new, and at that point they were preserved for history, and we just want access to it so the American public can see, you know, all the video from that day and decide for themselves what happened on January 6th.
So this is no different than the legal position of the Pelosi Congress now under the McCarthy Congress. And tomorrow, supposedly, there's going to be a vote by the board, the security board of the Congress, with designees from both Schumer and McCarthy, about whether to wall all these records off from the American people forever.
That's correct. We've heard a lot about Speaker McCarthy saying he's going to give access to journalists to, you know, film the footage. Well, he should talk to his designee before the vote tomorrow and make sure that his designee votes to make this information public. So the public has a right to see all the videos from January 6th.
Now there's some emails that issue here too. We want the emails of the police internally that showed what they were talking about on January 6th and how security was being managed.
Yeah, we're asking for the real-time emails of the chief of police and his senior executives about, you know, what they were doing that day and what their instructions and what their orders were.
Well, that judge wasn't necessarily friendly to us, but she let us make our argument, and so we're going to have another battle, another round of litigation and such, and we'll see what happens next.
You know, any judge that lets us argue for about an hour, you know, we'll see what happens, but she heard our arguments, and on to the next step of filing more briefs and continue the fight.
Well, Michael, you did a great job. We had one attorney, they had three attorneys. We know all of you were out there standing behind us, and Ashley Babbitt's mom was in the audience as well. So we are gratified to have that moral support, and I know we have the support of you, the American people, as we try to gain access to this core information about what happened on January 6th. You can't say it's the worst day in American history, Congress, and then hide all that information about what exactly happened from the American people. With that, we'll be back here next time at court. Hopefully we'll have a better report